Let's talk about the latest launched REALME smartphone P1 Speed with feather-inspired design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with OLED display, 6.67-inch Full HD plus punch-hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 92.65% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Panda glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 27mm main camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera with aperture 2.4, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of REALME UI 5.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.5 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Energy, 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G615MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 12GB, 14GB of extended RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.7 by 74.7 by 7.6 mm. And it weighs around 185 grams, and the color options, textured titanium, brushed blue colors too. See in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, 3.5mm headset jack, with stereo dual speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP65 dust and water resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The REALME P1 Speed 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 20,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this REALME P1 Speed 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.